While internet may be flooded with Trump's US tariff memes, when it comes to India's apparel exports, there could be a bright side to the story. While Trump administration announced on Thursday a flat 27% tariff on India's apparel exports with some exemptions, well, the tariffs being imposed are higher on the other Asian competitor markets, namely Vietnam, where a 46% tariff, Bangladesh, where 37% tariff, and Sri Lanka, where an extensive 44% tariff is being applied. Indian apparel exports presently face a tariff of 12 to 14%, which is currently same as that of Bangladesh and Vietnam, and the new tariffs shall be applied on top of that. So India might get a slight edge when it comes to a comparative change over existing duties. When we talk about China, being the largest textile exporter, a 20% tariff was already applied earlier this year, which is now doubled up with a 34% rise that makes it a whopping 54% duty on textile exports. Also, there's a flip side to this story since these are reciprocatory tariffs. Bilateral talks could result in some corrections since India imports cotton from US on which it imposes an import duty of 11%. Well, if any reductions happen there, India could have a clear edge over China that has already imposed retaliatory duties on US cotton imports in China. Well, how this new trade order plays out is yet to be seen, though with already thin margins of textile exports from India, a further squeeze might not be feasible, thereby making Indian goods expensive for US markets that may further double down on the inflation in US.